Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. That means autoplay. How to autoplay your Instagram Reels. If you want to do so, then first of all, open your Instagram application and go to the settings by hitting the three lines of your profile page. Once you are on your setting page, scroll down and go to preferences. Once you have entered preferences pages, now click on data users. Now make sure that you have drawn off useless cellular data and make sure to turn on the upload at highest quality as well. By turning off the less cellular data, your Instagram Reels will start scrolling auto. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.